Today I am reviewing HP 14 Laptop 2025 Flagship. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a versatile, student-friendly, and business-ready laptop in 2025, the HP 14 Laptop Student Business Flagship is an excellent choice. Designed with portability, performance, and productivity in mind, this laptop blends style with substance, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Starting with performance, the HP 14 is powered by the 13th Gen Intel N150 processor, a quad-core CPU capable of reaching up to 3.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Combined with 16 GB DDR4 RAM, this laptop handles multitasking effortlessly. Whether you're juggling multiple browser tabs, running office applications, streaming videos, or doing light photo and video editing, the system remains smooth and responsive. Storage is also generous, offering 128 GB of UFS internal storage for speed and an additional 500 GB external drive, giving you plenty of space for documents, projects, and multimedia files. The 14-inch HD display is another highlight. The anti-glare coating ensures clear visibility even in bright environments, making it perfect for classrooms, coffee shops, or home offices. With a 1366 by 768 resolution, it delivers sharp and vibrant visuals for daily tasks. The HP True Vision 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array microphones makes online classes, video calls, and virtual meetings clear and professional. In terms of design, the HP 14 is both sleek and lightweight. Weighing just 3.24 pounds and measuring 0.71 inches in thickness, it's highly portable and easy to carry around. The honey lavender color adds a stylish touch, while the full-size natural silver keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience. Although it lacks a backlit keyboard, the well-spaced layout is user-friendly and efficient. Connectivity is comprehensive, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, one USB-C port with DisplayPort support, two USB-A ports, HDMI 1.4b, a headphone/microphone combo jack, and an AC smart pin. This makes connecting peripherals, external monitors, and other accessories simple. HP also bundles the HubxcelAccessory kit, which includes wireless earbuds, a 64 GB SD card, a USB extension cord, an HDMI cable, a mouse pad, and a wireless mouse. This thoughtful package allows users to start using the laptop immediately without additional purchases. Software features make this laptop stand out as well. It runs Windows 11 Home in S mode for fast boot times and enhanced security, though switching to standard Windows 11 Home is easy. It also comes with a 1-year Microsoft Office 365 subscription, giving students and professionals access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other essential tools. The AI Copilot integration adds a modern touch, assisting users with smarter workflows and increased productivity. Battery life is strong, thanks to a 3-cell 41 Li-ion battery, which can last up to 9 hours depending on usage. HP Fast Charge ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to quickly recharge and continue working or studying without interruption. Overall, the HP 14 Laptop Student Business 2025 Flagship is a well-rounded and highly functional device. It's perfect for students, professionals, and small business users who need a reliable laptop that balances performance, portability, and productivity. With powerful processing, ample RAM, generous storage, a bright HD display, and bundled accessories, it offers excellent value for its price. To summarize, this laptop delivers a powerful Intel processor, 16 GB RAM, 628 GB total storage, a 14-inch anti-glare HD display, lightweight and stylish design, comprehensive connectivity, Windows 11 Home with AI Copilot, 1-year Office 365 subscription, and long-lasting battery life. For anyone seeking a reliable and high-performance laptop for work, study, or entertainment, the HP 14 2025 Flagship is an excellent choice.